What if I told you that you could create fully automated YouTube videos? No camera, no editor, no script writing, without spending a single penny. You can do it for free using AI in just a few steps. Let's get started. Step 1. Plan your video. Before AI comes in, you need a solid video idea. Think of your niche: tech, motivation, health, facts, etc. Use ChatGPT or Perplexity AI to generate trending titles. Example prompt: give me 10 viral YouTube ideas for a tech channel. Once you have your idea and title, let's move to scripting. Step 2. AI script writing. Use free tools like ChatGPT or Claude for scripting. Prompt example: write a YouTube script for the title, 5 AI Tools Changing the World. Add instructions like keep it 8 minutes long, conversational, hook at the start, CTA at end. Make sure the script has clear sections: hook, intro, points, conclusion. Step 3. Voiceover with AI. Now let's turn your script into a voice. Use these free tools: 11 Labs, play https.mp3. Paste your script, select a voice, and download the audio file. Choose a tone that matches your channel: energetic, calm, or natural. Step 4. Generate video clips. Here's the fun part: turn your voice into a video. Best free tool: Pictory.ai. Upload your script or voiceover. It auto-generates scenes with matching stock clips. You can customize scenes, fonts, branding, and subtitles. Alternative free tools: Lumen 5, CapCut Web, and Video. Use AI stock video plus text animation for faceless content. Step 5. Add music and final touch background music adds emotional impact. Free music sources: YouTube Audio Library, Pixabay Music, Bensound. In Pictory or CapCut, add your voiceover. Layer music softly under it. Add transitions, text effects, your logo. It's optional. Step 6. Upload and optimize. Now this is a very important step, where mostly we make mistakes. Now export your video, usually MP4, and head to YouTube. Before uploading, use ChatGPT to generate SEO-optimized titles, descriptions, and tags. Example prompt: create an SEO YouTube description for a video about 5 AI tools changing the world. Also, create a catchy thumbnail using Canva, thumbnail.ai. Step 7. Automate the workflow. Once you've done this, you can repeat it faster every time. Use Zapier or Make.com to auto-post or schedule. Use Notion plus ChatGPT to create content calendars. Store scripts, voiceovers, and video files in Google Drive or Notion. You can easily batch create a week's worth of content in a single day. And that's it. You just learned how to create and automate YouTube videos using AI for free. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and comment below your favorite tool from this video. And remember, consistency plus creativity equals growth on YouTube. Happy creating.